Hey, I'm John Crestani, and I've earned over $20 million online, and I'm hiring people to use my new software to post links and earn money. Now, this is a commission-only job, and I'm going to go over exactly what you need to get started. We've spent hundreds of thousands of dollars on this software, and it's very effective at helping you earn money. Now, first, to understand the requirements of this. First off, for this, you must live in the US, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, UK, Ireland, or South Africa. You can sign up for our software in other countries. It's not going to be as effective as what I'm advertising here, though. You must speak English, and you must have a phone number, an email address, and a bank account to start earning using this method. Let's dive right into things. I'm going to show you a little bit about the opportunity, how to sign up, who to send your link to, where to post your link, and I'll give you some tips and tricks for taking your income to the next level. This is all recurring passive income. The money will be sent directly to your bank account on a monthly net 3 basis. There's no cap on income, and every client you will earn $50 to $300 from. Let's go right into it. What you need to do here is you need to post links, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. I'm going to give you some resources on how to do that. First off, let me explain what the opportunity here is, and I've created a little presentation for you at johncrestani.com/MT if you want to go check it out for yourself. So I'm just going to go through this. The opportunity is you can earn commissions by promoting local businesses on Facebook, Google, and Instagram ads without any setup fees, retainers, or contracts. Now, the average local business, at least here in America, is spending $1,500 per month on various marketing to get people to come into their restaurant, into their nail salon, or whatever it is. Now, each agent, which means you, after signing up for our free software, will get a customized landing page. What we do is we create your custom landing page, and it also is how you collect money from clients. Now, let me show you an example of my landing page right now. So here's my landing page, and you'll see that it is customized with my image, my name. It explains to the local businesses about what they'll be getting, because when local business owners read this, some of them are going to want to give you money for Google, Instagram, and Google ads. And we create custom videos for them. We create their own website. We create everything for the local business owner who's non-tech savvy to manage, have advertising set up. We have examples of ads set up right here. We have the different categories we advertise here. And the clients, your clients, these local businesses will be able to pay you directly through the online form. As you see, it's all laid out for the local business owner right here to make it really easy for them to sign up with you. Now, setup of the videos and ads that for these local business owners, it only takes 5 steps. Again, it's a very simple process for the local business owners to get started. They just need to enter their business name, their business address, their phone number, their email, and their business logo. And voila, they are set up. It takes them very little effort. We have a lot of ads we've posted for local businesses, and we have a lot of local agents who are earning money by promoting local businesses in their area. And the local businesses are loving it too. I recently signed up a batting cage, like a baseball training camp, and they got multiple customers which are worth hundreds and hundreds of dollars each to their baseball training camp, and they've spent very little money on advertising. Here are some of the businesses we serve: accountants, bookkeepers, towing companies, car washes, bike repair, barbers, tanning salons, bakeries, donuts, tutors, therapists, pubs, pawn shops, Mexican restaurants, vegan restaurants, Korean restaurants, French restaurants, tour guides, travel planners, and more. We've over 100 different business categories that you can advertise, with some very valuable ones thrown in there as well. Now, agents, which is you, will use our software for free. Our ad packages for the local business owner range from $250 to $1,000 per month. You will earn from 20 to 30% commission and we do the work. Now, do the ads work? If you're following my channel, if you know me, I've done advertising for a long time here. And what you might not know about me is I'm not just a YouTuber, I'm not just a biz op coach or, trainer, one of these guru types. I come from affiliate marketing. I come from ad agency world where I was managing tens of thousands of local business clients such as dentists, realtors, insurance agents, roofers, pool installers, and more. And I was managing literally tens of thousands of small businesses and helping them get more customers. We also have very good advisors on our board. Now, if you're wondering, do the clients get a report to see what their ads look like? Yes, each client gets a report, a link they can view their ads and how many clicks and visits and impressions they've been getting on their mobile phone. How do you receive your commissions? Well, the commissions are sent out to you monthly, directly to your bank account from Stripe through an ACH transfer. Again, for this, you will have to collect money from clients, and to get your commissions paid out, you will have to set up a Stripe account, and that involves your bank account information, your routing number, and your account number. Now, if you are interested in this opportunity, make sure you go to the website and sign up for Marketing Tech. It's free, fast, and easy. And the way you'll do so is you'll just go either up to this link, the upper right, or you can go to this link down here. Either one works. If you want to read more information about how Marketing Tech works, right, we have more information on the website, but I'm going to skip over that because you're watching this video and you want to get started right now. So we went over how to sign up, and the process is straightforward once you click the Get Started button. Now, who do you send your link out to? Once you're signed up, again, we create your landing page for you. And when you log into your dashboard, you will have a link to your custom landing page to earn commissions from that clients can pay you. As you see right here, here's my landing page, and this is our link, okay? But this is what I'm also going to use to figure out what businesses I want to get money from. We have a ton of different selections, as I noted before, and you can preview some of the ads for the towing companies or any of the different companies that you want to see. You can see what sort of videos we generate them, what sort of quality we create, which is very good. For our purposes, I'm going to focus on niches that have the most money and the most likelihood of advertising. And in this case, orthodontist is definitely one of those categories. So I'm going to look up orthodontists in my local area. So let's just go to Google, and in order to find people to advertise to, which is, in our case, we're going to simply just look up people in my local area. I'm just going to go right here and click View All. Now, we do have an option for us to advertise your landing page for you, which is also very effective, and I encourage you to do. But in this case, I'm showing free methods because this is YouTube, and I don't know, some people just don't have a lot of extra money to start a business. So let's get started for free. So here we have a bunch of orthodontists in our local area. What I'm going to do in order to contact these folks is I'm just going to open up every single website and start just spraying and praying. Again, it won't take much time. So I want to find the email address for this company. Okay, now in this case, to contact the client, we're going to enter in our information, but it's asking for more information than we have right now. Let's go on and use one of our templates to actually enter in our information. So what do we type in this message? Well, for you to know what to type in the message, what you should do is go to johncristani.com/help. And I have some very useful resources to assist you with what you want to write. So as you see, these are our promotional resources, and I literally have exactly the messages you'll want to include in your message to these folks. So you'll just copy and paste this into this field right here. And what you want to do is you want to change out where I say name, you want to change that text to your information. Notice now here's a place where it says link. Now in our case, we'll want to use our landing page link that we got from Marketing Tech, which is my link right here. So we'll highlight this, we'll delete it, and we'll put in our own link right there. Great. Here's how we work together. Everything shows up right. call me at, if you'd like to chat more about this, call me. In my case, I'm going to delete the call because I'm an influencer. I'm kind of famous and I get a lot of creepy people that find my phone number. I have enough people harassing my family. So we go through here, and again, we're going to replace our website link with our link right there, and we say best. Now, I highly encourage you, you're not going to be effective with this unless you are using your actual phone number. And the reason being is because local business owners want to have a conversation, however brief, with the people they work with. It's the reason why folks set up a local business in the first place. Understand that local business owners want to at least talk on the phone for a second. Now, here's an email address. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna send an email to these folks. And again, we are gonna go back to our help document. Now, I highly suggest you bookmark this. Bookmark this document on your computer so that you can come back to it often, so that you can copy and paste your text. This will speed things up. I'm going to be continually adding to this document to help you out with more resources. We have different subject lines we can use, so I'm just going to say Facebook. I'm just going to say local Facebook ads, and then I'm going to copy this into my email. Now, I could go through and edit all of this, but I actually have this saved as a template on my Gmail using their extension for templates. I went to templates, and the reason I have these buttons pop up is because I went to settings, see all settings, advanced, and I enabled templates right here, okay? Again, advanced, settings, and you can fill in the rest. So I just click this button, I click templates, and I click insert template, and I just click send. Perfect. And this is what I need you to do. This is what I need you to do an hour a day if you want to start earning money. $25 to $100 an hour is what you'll be earning if you spend a solid hour sending out these emails to make money. In this case, they have a form you can fill out. They also have an email address where I can send more information their way. So I'm just going to go quick, insert template, boom, send. Okay. Again, you just keep going. And the more momentum you have in doing outreach, the more money you will make. And this, let's just keep going. agorahillsortho@gmail.com. And again, we just keep going. We just keep sending out information to these businesses. And each of these emails we send out is a chance for us to get a customer that is signed up and paying us anywhere from $250 a month to $1,000 a month. Now, once again, the way it works out for you is you earn commissions. You earn 20 to 30% of whatever that client signs up for. So once a client signs up for this package, you will be earning $50. And if a client signs up for this package, if you're on the 20% commission plan, you'll be earning $200 a month. This is working right now. This is revolutionary. This is a huge new opportunity there is no competition for, and you can start making the money right now. But you need to start working right now. And the only thing you have to do at this moment is go to marketingtech.com and sign up. Once again, the website is marketingtech.io, marketingtech.io. There's links in the description. There's links around this video, I'm sure, but there's certainly a link in the description, and this is how you start earning money. Again, this is the easiest opportunity out there. I've done marketing for years. I've earned over $20 million doing marketing. I know what I'm doing, and I've created revolutionary software for you to make money from. Well, let's get into some advanced tips and tricks like I told you I would. If you're watching this video and you're absolutely mind blown, please type in mind blown down in the chat. I'm really excited to be offering this all to you, and I hope you are realizing that there are ways you can make money that you never even knew about before, yet they're right in front of your face. And That is helping local businesses. Now, the best categories of local businesses, you're gonna wanna try out different categories, I'd say every day. One day, send out in your local area to orthodontists or chiropractors or dermatologists, to gyms, to personal trainers. There's a lot of different options here, and certain businesses are gonna be more willing to spend money than other businesses. But you're just gonna have to try them out and try out different types of businesses. Go with what you like. To help you out, babysitters, I don't think will earn as much money. I don't think babysitters have as much money to spend on ads. But then again, maybe I'm wrong. Hair salons and nail salons. I don't know how effective those will be because lots of times the owners are foreign and they don't speak or read very good English. Consultants, life coaches are gonna be pretty good. Psychotherapists, if there are psychotherapists in your area. Anything that has a high value of customers, such as orthodontists, chiropractors, dermatologists, lawyers, are gonna be very effective. Roofers make a lot of money for every job. Maybe each job is an average of tens of thousands of dollars. They'd be happy to spend $250 to $1,000 to find one new client. Interior designers would be a very good category. And we're adding more categories every single week. Now, I encourage you to send out a lot of emails and sign up lots of businesses. You want to pick up the phone when somebody calls you. When an unknown number calls you, it may be a local business owner that's looking for more information. Talk to them. A local business owner may reply to your email. Invite yourself over to their place. Go over, visit them. Go in person and close the deal. Again, this is money. This is hundreds of dollars per month that you can be earning from this one client. It's worth an in-person visit if it's local. And once again, that's why if you want to be earning $25 to $100 an hour, you need to be in an area where you can meet with folks in the US, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, UK, Ireland, or South Africa. A place where you can go meet somebody in person and speak English if that's what it takes to close the deal. Other high money niches are, plumbers. HVAC is a huge one. These two categories right here are fantastic places to start as well. But the most important thing, as always, is get started. And if you have more questions for me, if you're looking for more information, if you want me to do more videos showing you how to make money using this software, then feel free to comment below and let me know if you want more training videos on this amazing income opportunity. Please slam the like button, slam the subscribe button. I'm gonna have a lot more information about more ways to make money on my computer right here. Very excited to share them all with you. Have a good day. All the best. Bye. John Crestani out.